how to fix Instagram inbox not loading on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram inbox not loading on Android phone. First thing, just go to settings, scroll down until you find apps, and then apps again, and now just scroll and type Instagram. Click on it, and here you will find storage. Click clear cache and force stop, and then find this one here, data usage. Just enable all of those here, and then just go back, and you need to disable this one, battery power saving mode. Just disable it, and it will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.